All right. Lavina, stay with us. I'm cutting it across to Munish. Munish, we're looking at the CBI case now that's been largely established and accepted in the UK court, identifying this man as a criminal, and therefore he will be extradited to India. What about the ED case that's still hanging on Nirav Modi? Is this a collective announcement?
Yeah, well, as far as the ED's case is concerned, remember, CBI case is very strong, but ED case is also very strong. And if Nirav Modi is extradited to India, then of course, separately, the Enforcement Directorate will pursue the case. As far as the evidence is concerned, remember, Enforcement Directorate is looking into the money laundering. And as far as ED is concerned, they have claimed that there were multiple shell companies of Nirav Modi across globe. And using those multiple companies, he was laundering money from Punjab National Bank to his company to the other shell companies. So these were the prima facie. This is the prima facie case against Nirav Modi, and Enforcement Directorate was also, also pursued the case before the UK court, and UK court seems satisfied while giving the order that prima facie there is a case of money laundering against, Nirav Modi, and he should be extradited to India. Nabila.
I'd like to ask you, Munish, now that the extradition announcement has come about, what exactly would be the tenure of punishment? How long will this man be jailed in the Mumbai prison if he is extradited and brought here?
Yeah, well, Nabila, as far as, Nirav Modi's extradition is concerned, remember, he has multiple options. One is approaching the High Court, second is approaching the Supreme Court, and third is approaching the European Human Rights Court. So these are the three options, the court options. Apart from that, he can also apply for asylum in UK. But if at all, at any stage, if he's brought to India, then he will be arrested on the Indian soil, and then he will be taken to the Arthur Road jail, and next day he will be produced before the Mumbai court. And from there, the police custody, and then again he will be sent to the judicial custody. Now, the amount of evidence he has against the Indian agencies have against Nirav Modi, it will be very difficult for Nirav Modi to get bail from the court. So this is going to be certainly very difficult period for Nirav Modi if he is brought to India. From one side, the Enforcement Directorate will be pursuing the case. They will be asking for the custody, and they will be asking that he should be sent only in judicial custody, no bail. And also the Central Bureau of Investigation will be pursuing the same case on the criminal part of the entire case. So if he's brought to India, of course, he will have option of filing the bail, but the amount of evidence, it seems that it will be very difficult for him to come out of jail even, even for a brief period of time.
Right, Munish, very interesting points that the court has observed here. While Nirav Modi tries to justify that the Arthur Road jail in Mumbai is not safe for him, the court observes that there is significant security in that prison. There is adequate amount of food in that prison, and it's much larger than the actual prison that he is lodged in currently in the United Kingdom. So therefore, he will be safe, and there's no way it will infringe upon his human rights.
Yeah, of course, Nirav Modi, while, the proceedings of the case, he filed an application before the court saying that, first of all, if he's sent to India, then there are no psychiatrists or there are no doctors who can take care of his mental health condition because he has suicidal thoughts. Apart from that, he also said that there is a problem of sanitation in Arthur Road jail. He will not have library. He cannot roam around in the jail. So these were the, these were the grounds given by Nirav Modi. But court, while giving the order, the court clearly said that in 2019, they received the video. UK court received a video in Vijay Mallya case. And in 2020, another video of barrack number 12 of Arthur Road jail, Mumbai, was sent to the UK judge, before the UK judge. And UK judge said that there is a significant improvement with what the condition was in 2019 and what the condition is 2020. The sanitation is proper. The doctors can take care of him, and the food quality is good. Also, for barrack number 12, see, Vijay Mallya and Nirav Modi, if they are brought to India, they will be neighbors. There are 12 cells. They will be lodged in one of those cells. Apart from that, in barrack number 12, there is a television set, there is a library, there is a open area where a prisoner can go around, roam around, and then come back to his cell. So all these arrangements were made by the Indian authorities. This was submitted before the UK court, and the court was indeed satisfied with the amount of, the arrangements made by the Indian prison authorities, and it was satisfied that if Nirav Modi is sent to India, then his mental health condition, his food need, his other health condition, everything will be taken care of. And the court also made a very important remark that there is, if Nirav Modi is sent to India, then there is a high possibility that he will be convicted. And the court also said that I don't see anything that why he will fail justice in India. So he should be extradited to India.
All right, Manish, do stay with us. Nirav Modi there after finally a 2-year-long court battle. He's now been extradited by the UK court. We're going to bring you more information on that right after a short break. Do stay tuned.